KCl Lewis structure. Potassium has one valence electron because it is in group 1a or 1. Chlorine has 7 valence electron because it is in group 7a or 17. 2, 4, 6, 7. Here potassium is a metal and chlorine is a non-metal. Metal release electron to fulfill its octet and non-metal receive electron to fulfill its octet. So potassium will leave or donate one electron to non-metal chlorine to fulfill the octet of chlorine, and and potassium also will achieve its octet structure after releasing one electron. So potassium will be 1 plus and the plus sign will come outside of square bracket. So chlorine will be negative and negative charge will be shown outside of square bracket. So this is the Lewis dot structure for potassium chloride.